Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Open leverage cannot stop from going higher. Where is the limit? We are going to find it out. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins. Of course, the third tier has only one spot left. Unlimited personal guidance, one-to-one video trading, and of course everyday trading, scalping strategy, money guarantee back if you do not make more. Let's go right now to see open leverage all against USDT chart. Right here we are having an outburst, right? Plus 58%, plus 35, plus 50% again. Where is the limit for all against USDT chart? For the time being, please pay huge attention to what I'm going to say right now. Closing above the point 1:52.25 could literally explode open leverage. It could mean the case that we can go even to the point 14. From where we are right now, this is a very huge outburst of a rather 175%. This is crazy. This could be happening. However, there is a very huge resistance level, and that is the point 1:52.20 around there. For the time being, we are above this resistance level, but for now, I want you to pay attention to it because we haven't closed yet in the 4-hour frame above, but what we need to do is to close above in the daily frame. If we close above in the daily frame, we will explode towards this target, but we need to close above in the daily frame. The first good step would be to close above in the 4-hour frame. But closing above in the 4-hour frame, it won't be enough to decrease the risk so much. Closing above in the daily frame, it will be enough to decrease the risk and therefore to make it explode even higher. There is a possible chance that we do not go to the point 14, we go to the point 1:85, form a double top and then go down. But if that's the case, it is still a nice another plus 62%. Now we talked about the bullish sentiment, we talked about the bullish targets. Bill, what happens if we get rejected? What happens if we cannot close above? And here is Bill to answer all of these questions for you. Then we are going to go down, retesting the lows of the point 1:35.87, having a very huge crash coming in of a minus 31%. So be extremely careful. We talk about the realistic price predictions and not what we want to see. We always talk about in Mind Your Crypto what we are actually seeing and not what we want to see. A successful trade is coming once you realize that you take profits based on what you actually see and not the FOMO, not what you would like to see because you have bought or you have shorted at the top and therefore you expect it to go down, so you see only correction. Closing above the point 1:52.20 will get us all the way up here. Getting rejected in the daily frame will get us to the point 1:35.87, and maybe a more major correction will come into place for open leverage. So it is suggested today, a very important day to pay close attention to. If you have bought around here, around there, then take profits if we close below this line. If you haven't bought yet and you want to buy, then pay attention to the 4-hour frame and the daily frame, especially the daily frame. Closing below right here, it is better to take a short position than long. Closing above, it is better to take a long position, with the first target being the point 1:085 to the point 1:080. Okay, around there it will be going and you should be taking your first profits. All right, so open leverage is looking very bullish. It is looking awesomely good, okay, but for the time being we need to pay attention to these exact price targets always provided from Mind Your Crypto, from Bill, right here on your screen. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. The third tier has only one spot left. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.